Welcome back to English Chat Studio.
We're so glad you're here.
In part 1, we arrived at the airport, checked in, dropped off our luggage, and received our boarding pass.
Now it's time for the next step, going through security, finding the departure gate, and boarding the aircraft.
You'll hear real English, rabblers that airport staff and passengers use every day.
So listen carefully, repeat the useful sentences, and imagine you're traveling with us.
Ready?
Let's continue our airport journey.
Good morning.
Good morning.
May I see your boarding pass, please?
Certainly. Here you are.
Thank you. Please place your hand luggage in the tray.
Sorry, what do you mean by hand luggage?
It's the bag you take with you onto the aircraft.
Oh, I understand. I'll put it here.
Thank you. Please remove your laptop and any electronic devices.
All right.
And don't forget to empty your pockets.
Should I take off my watch as well?
Yes, please. Place it in the tray.
No problem.
Please walk through the scanner when you're ready.
Like this?
Yes, that's perfect.
Oh, did I do something wrong?
Don't worry, it's just a routine check.
I was worried for a moment.
That's completely normal. Could you step to one side, please?
Of course.
Thank you. Everything's fine now.
That's a relief. Excuse me, where's my backpack?
It's coming through the X-ray machine now.
Oh, I see it.
Please make sure you haven't left anything behind.
Let me check. Passport, phone, wallet, laptop. Yes, I have everything.
Wonderful. You're all set.
Thank you for your help. Excuse me?
Yes?
Could you tell me where gate B18 is?
Certainly. Go straight ahead, turn right at the coffee shop, then follow the signs for gates B.
Is it a long walk?
About 5 minutes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant flight.
Excuse me, I can't find my flight.
What's your destination?
London.
What's your flight number?
BA216.
Here it is, gate B18. Boarding starts at 10:05.
Sorry, what does boarding mean?
Boarding means passengers can start getting onto the aircraft.
Ah, now I understand. Is this gate B18?
Yes, it is. You're a little early.
That's good, isn't it?
Absolutely. It's always better to arrive early than late.
I'll remember that.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll begin boarding flight BA216 to London shortly. Please have your passport and boarding pass ready.
Excuse me, did they say boarding has started?
Not yet, they said it'll begin shortly.
Oh, I thought I missed it.
Don't worry, you're right on time.
Should I join the queue now?
Not yet, they're boarding passengers in groups.
How do I know when it's my turn?
Look at your boarding pass. You're in group 4. They'll announce it.
Thank you. I'll wait.
Good morning. May I see your passport and boarding pass, please?
Certainly. Here you are.
Thank you. Everything looks good. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
You too. Welcome aboard. Excellent. You've successfully passed through secure announcements and boarded your flight.
I feel much more confident in it now. These conversations sound exactly like real life.
That's because they are. The more you listen and practice, the more naturally you'll understand and speak English.
I can't wait for the next part.
In part 3, you'll learn how to find your seat, ask the cabin crew for help, order food and drinks, and handle common situations during the flight.
Don't miss it.
If you're enjoying this Airport English series, please like this video, subscribe to English Chat Studio, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a lesson.
And tell us in the comments.
Which airport situation would you like us to cover next?
Thanks for watching.
See you in part 3. Happy learning!